What's up guys, big gameplay guy here. I got Alien Isolation NOSTROMO edition. It's gonna be my first unboxing video. I already took the plastic off. But yeah, let's take a look. Includes bonus content. Play as Ellen Ripley, Dallas or Parker in Crew Expendable? Yeah. Holy shit. How will you survive? Said to be the scariest game you'll play in. What? That? Really? 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 Holy shit, this is awesome. Bonus content. Holy shit. It's terrifying. The Guardian. Holy shit, this is awesome. Underpowered and underprepared. You must scavenge rescues, impulsive solutions, and use your wits not just to succeed in your mission, but to simply stay alive. I'm sorry guys for my English, it's really bad, but yeah, I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I actually not finished. Holy shit. How am I supposed to? There we go. Holy shit. Look at this. So beautiful. Let me take it off with one hand. What? Let me take it off. Let me take it off. Oh god. There we go. Oh shit. It's flying away. There we go. Wow. Ah! My iPad. You can see me. Hello. Holy shit, this is awesome. Let's put it back on. Holy shit. I don't fucking need time for this. See you guys. And I'm gonna play this now. See you in the next episode.